everyone. I had a number of questions from some of the people in my stamping group that came to a Painted Poppies class that I did. I made them all like a little pouch to put their completed cards. It's sort of like a little gift bag to put their completed cards with their envelopes in, and I'm just going to show how to use it because it's easier than trying to describe it. So let me flip my camera down and I will give it a go. Alrighty, so what you're going to need is you'll need 2 pieces of designer paper. You could use cardstock too, that measures 6 by 6. So I'll just take my trimmer. I love the fact that the trimmer now has this little edge to it, so it makes it very easy to get nice, clean 6 by 6 cuts. So I've got my 2 pieces. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to score this on 3 sides at 3/4 of an inch. My top, which will be this piece here, I'm going to score it a 1/2 inch. You're going to do this on both pieces of paper. So I've got a 1/2 inch here, and then I'll do 3/4 on the remaining 3 sides. So let me just do that quickly. I'm going to do the exact same thing with my other piece. So I think there's my top. So I will do a 1/2 inch on the first side. It's my top. And then 3/4 on the remaining 3 sides. I was noticing an old video that I did last year. I'm wearing the exact same sweatshirt, so I do not like to shop, and this happens to be a sweatshirt that my daughter got me for Christmas last year, so I'm wearing it again. It's nice and warm, cozy on a windy day. So, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that small 1/2 inch seam that I made, and I'm just going to fold that down. That's going to be the border, our top border for our bag. Fold that down, and then I'm going to just crease my remaining 3 sides, but what I'll do first, you're going to have a square in the corner on one of your pieces. You're going to clip that right off. So let me clip 2 here. So that one there. It's a little tricky to see your square. Clip those off. Then you're just going to fold. My bone folder's floating around here someplace, but I'm not sure where. So give these a good crease. On my other piece, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to fold this top down, put a little glue across the top, and give it a good press so that it sticks. You don't need tons of glue on this either. And then I have those 2 squares on the bottom. On this one though, you're just going to give them a clip, but don't cut them off completely. And then burnish the remaining sides. Once you've gotten this part done, what you'll do is you will put these together like this. Okay, so these should match up. So you're going to take some glue, run it right along the edge here, and then attach. I'm going to just fold these up. I'll make it a little bit easier. These pieces should be the exact same size, so you're just going to fold them like this and press until they feel like they've become adhered together. On your sides, you'll fold them up like this, and you'll glue down the outside strip. So pretty easy. You're just going to put some glue here. Fold these together. It's nice because you can match the tops right up very easily. Give it a good press. Make sure that glue's stuck together. Whoops, mine just slipped. Make sure that glue's stuck. And then flip it and do your other side the same way. Okay, so this piece is going to tuck right inside. And this here, we'll just get adhered down. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick that right down here. And tack those into place. Next, what you'll want to do, I'm going to pause you here for a minute so I can go grab my paper punch.